Hi, I'm Dana with CandleScience, and today I'm going to show you 9 DIY projects that you can make for Halloween. Now, if you had joined our Halloween Live earlier, I am so sorry about the technical difficulties, but I'm going to go over everything here, as well as include a link to all of the projects in the description. So let me introduce our Haunted Studio collection, which is made up of 3 themes: Sweetly Spooky, Midnight Movie, and Spellbound. We've curated 3 fragrance flights for each theme. So Sweetly Spooky is definitely the most playful of all of the themes, and it definitely leans into a little bit more whimsy, some softer color palettes, and is a little bit more candy forward. Speaking of, we have wax candy corn melts. Now, we made these with just a little silicone mold, some mica, and some Cocoa Sol wax. These ended up being very convincing. Sometimes it can be hard to tell the difference between actual candy corn and the wax melt. These are scented with berry vanilla as a classic Halloween choice, but you can use any of them from the flight. We put them in a mini glass pumpkin jar and finish it off with a tag from Avery. Next, we have a haunted room and linen spray, because every Gothic manor could use a little bit of whimsy. We chose some pastel stripes here for a lighter color palette, but still added some darker elements to bring in that Halloween feel. Here we used our white spray bottles, but we do have some glass options as well. We chose some sweeter scents for the room spray, like caramel apple. And finally, we have a sweet little reed diffuser that features some friendly crows fighting over a Halloween candy. Here we use the round prism reed diffuser bottle, which is perfect for a cute accent piece. And we do have some limited edition different color reeds. This was scented with the very appropriate pink sugar crystals, and then boxed up in a little reed diffuser box. Moving on to Midnight Movie, which was inspired by retro horror films and scary movie aesthetics. Starting off strong with our popcorn candle. This is the perfect project for a midnight movie marathon. We chose scents like campfire marshmallow and caramel popcorn. This was made using our red 3-wick tumbler, Simply Soy artisan wax, and Cocoa Sol for the popcorn embeds. Anytime you make embeds for a candle, you'll want to use a harder wax, something like a pillar or melt wax, not a container wax. Then we have our cinematic wax melts. These are so easy to make and were really fun to design. You can choose themes like cult classics or creature features. Just choose the clamshell you like the best. These kind of resemble candy bars, still on that Halloween spirit. And then we added mica. We chose scents like Cherry Eclipse, Pumpkin Spice Buttercream, and Black Sea. Are you ready to take a stab at soap making? Try these melt and pour soap bars with little tiny knife embeds. These bars were made with goat's milk melt and pour soap base, and we used mica for the splatter and the tiny embeds. These were scented with leather and labdanum, definitely a call out to those slasher flicks. And finally, we have my favorite collection. Am I allowed to say it's my favorite? It is my favorite. It is Spellbound, inspired by apothecary vibes, enchanted woods, and potions. We're gonna start off strong with a cauldron candle. Now, we do have this frosted swirl Sonoma jar in black, which you're right, would be more of a cauldron vibe, but I really like the purple and green together. We also topped it off with a custom sticker from Avery of a little bubbling cauldron there. Smoked oud is a really great scent for something like this. It's also a great year-round scent, but it does give the bubbling cauldron vibes. This is made with Simply Soy artisan wax and Cocoa Sol for the embeds, as well as lime green dye. Moving on to Toil and Trouble Bubble Bath. Now, this can also be a hand soap or a body wash, really anything you want. It is made with the 3-in-1 bubble bath base. These were super easy to make, and you can finish them off with a cool little holographic potion sticker. These we got from Avery. They do have templates, but you can also upload your own designs. Here we used the magical scents of Apothecary, Lavender Embers, and Serene Summit. And last but not least, probably one of the weirder projects we've ever done. It just goes to show what you can do with free will and a glue gun. This is our moss reed diffuser. What we did here was just glue on some craft moss, and then we used that same hot glue with some mica to create this cool little slime effect. Now, one of my favorite parts about this particular project are the different color reeds. Now, these are limited edition right now, so get them while you can. I am loving these light greeny yellow reeds here. You could also add just a little bit more pizzazz with some of our spiral reeds. We scented this with the moss element, very on par, and then we boxed it up in one of our craft boxes with, again, a label from Avery. And that's it, 9 DIY Halloween projects to jumpstart spooky season. If you try your hand at making any of them, definitely tag us on social. We'd love to see what you make.